अस्सलाम वालेकुम friends, how are you guys? कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? And yeah, today I'm making chicken korma. So I hope you guys like it. This is really quick and easy recipe from me. And this is also my mom's recipe. That's how she makes it. Most of the recipes I learned from my mom and some from YouTube and online. So I'm just frying onions. That's are already pre-fried onions. I'm just gonna fry them a little more and take most of them out. Whatever you cannot get out, you can just leave them in there. It's okay. You cannot. You don't have to take out everything. And I'm just gonna take out most of it and. Yeah, so see, as you can see, I could not take out all of it because my drainer was like kind of big, so not everything could come out. Now after that, look at that onion. Oh, you don't have to burn them. Just make sure that your oil is hot, and just put the onions for like 5 minutes and take them out. That's all. Now I'm just going to add chicken, and after that, on top of that, I'm just going to add. Adrak lasan, ginger and garlic paste. I make it at home. I buy ginger and garlic separately and then I blend it at home. So I'm just gonna put like few tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, and I'm just going to stir that in, and after that I'm just going to cover it and cook it for like 5 minutes. So there is no smell in the chicken. This is the packet I'm using from National. It's korma packet. You get two in there. I'm just going to use one of the packets. I'm not gonna use the whole packet because I have like really less chicken, and you have the everything, the recipe in the back too. But I'm not following the recipe in the back. I'm just doing my own recipe. And this is the one packet, and I'm just going to use more than half of the packet. I'm just going to save a little bit later for later on because I don't have much chicken in there. It's probably like 2 pounds of chicken. So yeah, I'm not gonna use the whole packet, otherwise it's going to be really spicy. So I'm just going to use a little more than half. You will see later that I'm gonna show you. It's going to be there in quarter much is going to be there. So yeah, I'm just going to stir that in and cover and cook. Yeah, just stir it in lightly and then cover it, so everything is nice and stirred. Yeah, so that's what I do. And next I'm just going to take yogurt, like 1 cup of yogurt, and I'm going to blend the yogurt with the onions. So I'm just going to cover that, and this is the yogurt. I'm going to blend it with the yogurt. And yeah, now don't put the whole onions, just save a little bit for later on. You will see when I put them in. So I'm just going to blend that in. I'm just going to put that in the chicken. So yeah, the onions are nice and blended. Now I'm just going to put the the yogurt and the onions in my chicken. That's how I do it. Yeah, and then I'm just going to cook it for like more 5-10 minutes until the chicken is nice and tender and the oil is separated from the masala. I will show you how it looks when it's done. Just cover and cook like for a few minutes, and 5-10 minutes until the water dries out and the onion separates. So now I'm just going to cook it, and मैं क्या करती हूँ when I'm like cooking, I try to like whenever I have time, I try to like clean up the kitchen, put that stuff away. They like this one, I'm just going to put this away. I'm going to put it in the same box it came in, and I'm going to put it away. It already has masala written on it, so there is nothing, so you know what it is. Now I'm just going to try to do some dishes. I try to clean the kitchen as I'm cooking, because I don't know how that makeup brush ended up there, my girls. And I try to just clean up everything, as I'm cooking, so kitchen is nice and clean when I'm done cooking, so I can spend time with my girls. Now they're just watching TV, so they don't bother me while I'm cooking. Otherwise, they always come in and bother me. So yeah, just tell me how you guys deal with the girls or the kids, like when you're cooking, because I don't have anybody in the house and nobody's there to watch them, so I have to watch them and cook at the same time. It's like a lot of work, and I have to clean the house and do all of the chores in the house. Do laundry and stuff like that, and at the same time I have to look at the girls. So it's kind of a lot of work. I have no idea how people do it, and I'm still trying to figure out how to do it. So yeah, that's my girl right there. So look at that. I have the door and it does not work. See, so the door does not work because my other girl, she knows how to open it. And when she opens it and then she gets in, the other one gets in, it's like so much hassle. So yeah, and now I have to like put them outside and close the door again. Now look at the chicken now. See, it's looking really nice and almost done. We still have to wait a little more for the oil to separate. And yeah. So oil is almost separated, and yeah, we're just going to do some bhunai, to make it more nice and juicy and yummy. So yeah, now you can clearly see the oil is separated from the masala, so oil is on the thing. Now I'm just going to put 1 cup of milk in there. That's the trick for the korma. I put 1 cup of milk. I just warm it up for like 30 seconds in the microwave, and then I just pour it in. This is 1 cup. I'm showing you right there. Just 1 cup because this chicken is only 2 pounds. If you have more chicken, just try to put like maybe 2 cups. Like if you have like a lot of chicken. So yeah, don't put a lot of milk though. If you want to add more, you can add water as well. But I'm just adding milk. I'm not adding anything else. I'm just going to add some milk and stir that in. Just do little by little, don't just put everything at once. See, if you need more, then add more, otherwise stop right there. So it's just going to give it a nice color and nice texture to the masala, and it's going to taste so yummy. I'm sure if you guys try it, obviously it's gonna come out really, really nice. So I'm just going to put all of it. So yeah. This spoon actually is really good because you can stir with this spoon, and it's not going to break your chicken. So I love this spoon for that, because other spoons, they can break your chicken, but this one I can stir it and it's not going to break the chicken, because I'm always worried about my chicken is going to break, because where I live, the chicken just gets done like in 5 minutes. Now the small masala is done. I'm just going to leave it on the heat, like low, very low heat, and let it cook like for 5 minutes, so it's nice and done. And then after 5 minutes, I'm just going to turn off the stove. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really like the recipe, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for your support. I really love you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.